here is a product and we want to start creating organic TikTok content for it. So let's find some viral videos that we can just copy that are in a similar niche. So I'm on my phone, I'm on TikTok. Let's start by searching shoe sole.
This is why you should be training in trainers like this, not this.
Let's do this. Filter. Last 6 months, most like count.
First.
So when today we got these Alexander McQueen skull slip-on shoes.
Okay, that nothing.
A little bit more. Oh my gosh.
Maybe feet pain. Filter. Like count past 6 months.
What is
Bring me a seagull, girl. Hey, jump back your mouth, got bigger. Fat, pretty face and a real nice figure. Shoot your shot, for that trigger. Let my ass.
Use a quick relaxing massage for sore feet. What is some oil? This is why you need to be careful with plantar fasciitis advice on social media.
what's that?
If you're ever in a position on the trail where the front of your foot, your toes or your nails are sore, do something very simple called toe relief basic, where you basically skip the first 2 buckles to release.
Disneyland is
Okay, so it looks like there isn't any products in this niche. We're gonna have to find something in a similar niche. Let's search therapy. Say link in bio. Let's give that a try.
Do you understand?
If you ever get
Force?
Does anyone else notice?
Signs?
This one would work, but it's too not many likes.
Guys, I am crying right now. I have a...
Do you
Oh my gosh. What in the world? This is not dark. Can't be doing this. No. The shoes in dark under eye circle. We can't go around like this.
That's pretty good. That's a pretty good video. But people might be scared to do that in public.
What is on me? 10 things I like tip from. My husband and I got in a fight yesterday with our 3 mediating. Here's some food for thought from your therapist. These utensils have 3 awesome features. First, a totally flexible head for optimal self-feeding position. Second, an adjustable strap for reduced hand strength. And third, the handle is hollow so you can add additional weight. These utensils have 3
Perfect.
awesome
This is definitely something you could copy. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the link. I'll put it here. How many views does it have? Let's open it up on my computer.
These utensils have 3 awesome features. First, a totally flexible head for optimal
self-feeding position. Second, an adjustable strap for reduced hand strength. And third, the handle is hollow so you can add additional weight. These utensils have 3 awesome features. First, a totally flexible head.
Go down to just watched. 2.8 million. These utensils have
For optimal self-feeding position. Second, these utensils have 3 awesome features.
3 awesome features. So you can definitely do the same thing for your sole product.
And third, the handle is hollow so you can add additional weight.
What is depersonalization? This is the MyVita lower body dressing aid.
developed for individuals with disabilities that limit their ability to bend, be able to put
2.1 million.
pants and underwear on safely and successfully.
2.1 million.
This is the MyVita lower body dressing aid, developed for individuals.
This is the developed for individuals with disabilities. Yeah, you can say, you know, this is developed for people with feet problems, feet pain. So that's another one. Let's keep looking. So this is just one keyword, therapy link in bio. That's funny.
I'm a psychologist, and here's some.
What's that? You need this. You need this. Like last 6 months. So these are videos that are viral in the last 6 months. Some cool.
What do you want to be?
Don't need the
If we walk, babe.
This will help you sleep, maybe.
Can't sleep? I'm a Caro.
One of the greatest things that you can
Can't
do.
sleep?
So apparently there's a way to fall asleep. The sound of my voice in this video is going to allow.
Link in bio.
Before versus after using the gripper. Before. We go grip. They won this hard.
This one's pretty good. This one can use with the sole. $14 mil.
Before versus after using the
Before versus after using the gripper.
we go.
Let me do one more example. You have to get creative with the keywords. Search like this. Get this for your feet, maybe.
If your feet are looking like this at the moment, here's how you're going to get them to go from this.
I never
Need
thought it
more
would be like
likes.
this, but the results are impressive.
Filter, like count. This one will just go unlimited. We'll see what happens.
Okay. No.
Okay, this.
If you put your feet in warm water while you have a headache, then the blood vessels in your feet will dilate and this will shuttle blood up.
So you can, this one you can do educational video. $11.4, 11, 400, 1, 2, 3.
If you put your feet in warm water while you have a headache, then the blood
If you say use this product, you will get, say, X benefit. So yeah, here are 4 videos that you can use for your product. Now you can literally download these videos using snaptic.app and copy it second by second, word for word, and just rephrase it for your own product. Just like how you're able to sort of rephrase the description for your own product, copying another product, you can do the exact same thing for these videos. Copy it, talk about the 3 awesome features you have for your own foot sole, film it, make it the exact same length, the exact same cuts, And if you do it, there's a good chance you'll go viral. But obviously it's going to take some practice, but here's like a kickstart.